Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we will talk about Rytr affiliate program. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you generate various forms of creative text content. Its core function is to create different kinds of writing content, including marketing copy, blog content, and creative text formats. With the Rytr affiliate program, you can earn 30% recurring commission for life with every customer you refer. You get 60 days cookies for the customer who don't buy the subscription immediately. You also get incentives and competitive commissions with 30% recurring for life. On starting, you get an activation bonus of $15 too. What do your customers get? They get an exclusive 20% discount. You get cash bonuses of $30 when you hit 250 referrals and $100 when you refer your 1000th customer. Starting with it is just as easy as it can be. Just sign up for the program, get your link, and start earning. They keep you updated and provide support and guide when needed. What about payouts? You get paid on the first working day of the month at 30 days after transaction. The minimum threshold is $100. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon.